A hybrid unit is important to our customers. It gives them the greatest amount of flexibility as their workloads change from air to liquid or vice versa, and to have those future needs met in a single unit. A key aspect of the Compass design is modular and prefabricated components. We have an existing footprint that the unit was designed within that allows us to get to fastest to ready to deploy the units quickly on site and get them set up and meet customer demand. Our unique design prevents a centralized chiller plant and offers a distributed model that allows customers to change their workloads within the data hall to a variety of air and liquid modes, effectively the turn of a valve to change from one mode to the other. Customers are telling us it gives them the greatest amount of flexibility to shift those workloads in a very easy format on site to meet those future demands.